What's up, Dream Media family? This is Zach. Welcome back to another episode. Today, I'm going to be showing off this killer game room here in Colorado. You guys know we do dedicated home theaters primarily as our specialty, but we also do whole home audio, cameras, outdoor speakers, and TVs, pretty much everything audio video that you need, including now we are providing arcades and pinball machines. So today I wanted to show off really this kid's dream down here. Where are all my dads at? I know you're trying to keep those kids busy. Well, you're gonna enjoy this video. I'm gonna give you a full walkthrough of the audio video, as well as all these cool games that they have in the space. I'm super excited. Let's get into it. All right, welcome back, Dream Media family. So we made another video, which I'm gonna put up here, called the concession area in our demo home theater. Kellen Fleener's space, our national sales director. Right outside his theater, he has a concession space. It's really a bar area that has a television mounted that you can put the game on, or it can display the movie that's playing in the theater. In addition to, he has a refrigerator, microwave, some liquor, popcorn machine, all the things that you need to kind of hang out before the movie starts, or before the big fight or the big game. So this is another inspirational space that I wanted to show off. They have a arcade machine, which now officially Dream Media has their own arcade called the Dream Arcade that was produced for us by Phantom Arcades, which is now on our website and featured in that concession video that you saw with Kellen. It has over 10,000 classic games built into it, and we have an OLED TV turned sideways inside, so it actually displays in the 4:3 native aspect ratio of all those games. And then we got up on top a nice display banner. It's some specialty software that the guys from Phantom made that displays the name of the game and then the game below, and then we even have a kick plate panel which will display different games and promotional kind of nostalgic artwork. We are offering arcades in addition to pinball machines, and hopefully growing that catalog. Now that I've seen this space, it's gotten me excited about some other possibilities. In this space, we also have a ping pong table, we have air hockey, we have a pool table, and we have a couple stations for basketball. Got to keep the kids busy, right? Keep them active. Plus we have the Ice Ball Pro little bowling game. This room has it all, guys. In addition to, we have this nice little lounge area over here where the kids can kick up their feet, relax, hang out, pop some popcorn, and the movie theater is just right here, right next to it. So it's just the perfect hangout area for the kids. In the little bar built-in area, we have a mini fridge for drinks and refreshments, in addition to a microwave. So that kind of gives you a run through of all the cool little toys in this room. Now let's talk about the audio video. So in this space, we have a mixture of audio video systems. Let's start with the speakers. In the room, we have a total of 4 Focal 300 IC6 in-ceiling speakers. Those feature the inverted aluminum magnesium dome tweeter in addition to that flax woofer, which that combo right there is really hard to beat. I mean, that's like the makeup of their Aria series speakers, really some proprietary tech that they're known for. We have utilized the Focal 300 series throughout this entire home. It sounds absolutely phenomenal, and we're powering it all up with an audio control Director Series DSP whole home audio amplifier so we can tune the rooms. And we have all the control through Sonos, which is a very easy to use user interface. In addition to that, we have lighting control from LUTRON and a 75-inch LED TV mounted up here on the wall so that they can put sports on, put a movie on, whatever they'd like. They can cast right to it. perfect little situation for the kids. So that's a wrap on this really killer game room that I think you guys will all find inspirational if you have kiddos of your own or you're just trying to deck the space out for you and your buddies. Honestly, there's no age restriction here to have some fun. But I would like to point out some other services that we offer in these types of spaces. Another popular service is golf simulators. Our national sales director, Kellen, is a huge golf buff. I mean, he's out there on the course every day trying to take Tiger Woods down. So he would be a great asset for you to pick his brain and talk about all the latest and greatest golf simulators. In addition to that, we can make rooms like this a multi-purpose home theater. So we have it set up for just music listening, distributed audio, multi-channel listening, essentially. But keep in mind, if you don't have a dedicated home theater like this home, we can put in a full-blown surround sound system, do an ultra short throw, or a standard overhead projector, or even just a massive TV. We sell TVs now, and we even carry some entry-level brands like Hisense as an example. We just saw at CES announce that they're gonna have a 110-inch mini LED TV, which is absolutely just unbelievable. And of course, we have Samsung and Sony panels available as well. So whenever you're doing a full-blown whole home system design with Dream Media, we can hand curate every single little part that you need all into one package to take the workload off of you and make it easy so you can get to the fun part, enjoying your dream home system. All right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative in making a buying decision, or at least informative and helping you with some ideas, sparking some inspiration. That's really what our channel's about here, is just giving you ideas. So like, say you're over there in New Jersey and you're building out a basement. Check out some of our New Jersey videos. I did a tour over there. Say you're in Maryland, Virginia, DC. We did a whole tour in Maryland, Virginia, DC. Check out our Florida videos. Texas, we do tons of Texas properties. And of course, California, that market has been growing like crazy. We got a Dream Media Plus project that's finishing up over there. We are just extremely grateful for everybody's support, and we're gonna continue to deliver that 5-star service. If you guys know what you need, you can shop on our website at dreammediaav.com. And don't forget to sign up for our email newsletter where you can receive special promos and event details. Like, I'm gonna be down in Florida in a couple weeks at the Florida Audio Show, checking out all of the latest and greatest in 2-channel hi-fi, which is another fun category we've been getting into. So stay tuned for upcoming content, guys. Appreciate your support. If you liked the video, give me a big thumbs up. And make sure to smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach with Dream Media Home Theater. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.